Hi, I'm Will. I'm a graduate here at the Training and Wellness Centre project in the CBD. I had the opportunity to manage the stone facade package. That package involved 80 stone column panels fixed to a structural steel subframe and a horizontal corbelling stone elements fixed to the horizontal portion of the subframe. And there was also plinth elements below interfacing with the footpath. I was given the opportunity to travel to Vietnam to check on the status of the material. This gave me the opportunity to broaden my skill set in terms of learning about the unique stone supply chain, managing the risks of international procurement on construction program, and managing the quality of material procured overseas. As you can see here today, we're managing the installation of works. This process has involved undertaking a high-risk workshop, coordinating all site logistics, and managing quality through ITPs on our VisiBuild program. It's been a great opportunity to broaden my skill set as a graduate.